So hi guys, today we will learn the image tag from HTML. So to render any image on the browser, so like on the graphical user interface, if we want to render any image file. So in HTML, we have one tag that is img tag. Let's see first how to write that img tag in HTML to render the image file. So img is image tag in the HTML, and with image tag we have some attributes to link the image file. So let's say in my file system at this HTML session images, I have one image that is this cat image, and I just want to render the cat image on my graphical user interface toolbar. So for image, we have one attribute called src, that is basically the source from where this image exists. So like say source. So here we have currently we are in Pankaj HTML session image.html, and we have image in Pankaj HTML session image. So we have to come out from the HTML session folder, and in Pankaj HTML session images we have the image cat image. So in src we have to just put the URL for the image. This is my image URL. img tag is self-closed tag. That means you don't have to close img like this. So this is a self-closed tag. So let's save this one and refresh the browser. So here you will see we have cat image rendered on the graphical user interface, that is in browser. So we have one more attribute for the img tag, that is ALT. So in case browser is not able to render the file on browser, or file is not supported by the browser, so we have some alternate for the image. Like if image not found, so we can say this is a cat image. So now just refresh the browser one. Like you can see that we have just changed the URL. Instead of JPG, we have used JPEG because we are not able to render the image on browser. So we have some alternate for the image. Like this is a cat image that we want to show here, but due to some error or file not found, we are not able to display the image on the browser. So if we will select the URL of the file and we will refresh the page, so here we are able to see the right image. We can put some style for this image. Like if you want to change the width of this image, we can say like 100 pixels. that for the style part I will cover in the later session. So for now, like I have changed the style width to 100 pixels. So this cat image now have 100 pixels of width. Same I can do for height. Let's say 500 pixels. So here you can see now this height is going to change with the 500 pixels. So today we have learned the IMG tag. So in IMG image tag, we have some attributes. This is self close tag. So we don't have to write a separate tag that will close this one. And IMG contains some attributes like SRC. That SRC basically have the source for the file, where the file we have in our file system. Like I have my file in HTML session image, and if file is not exist on that location, or there is some that file is corrupted and is not able to render on browser, so in that case we have the alternative. Like I have given here cat image, so that will come in place when the file will be not able to render on the browser. So for today, for this session, that's it from my side. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel. So thank you guys. I will again come in my next video